ChatGPT Memory saves facts about you across Open ChatGPT in Chrome. We're already signed in at chatgpt.com. Click your profile icon in the top right, then open Settings. In the sidebar, select Personalization. This is where Memory lives. Memory lets ChatGPT remember useful details between chats, like your role, preferences, and goals. Keep the toggle on, then click Manage to see everything ChatGPT remembers. Your saved memories appear as short statements. Review them anytime. Click Edit to fix outdated info, like updating your job title or time zone. Delete memories you no longer want ChatGPT to keep. Remove anything sensitive or incorrect with one click. You stay in control. Memory only saves what you allow. In any chat, tell ChatGPT to remember something new. Try remember that I prefer bullet point answers and work in Pacific time. Watch for the remembering indicator. It confirms the memory was saved. ChatGPT applies saved memories automatically in future conversations. Less repetition, more personalized help. That's memory. Review and edit your memories regularly to keep responses accurate. Take control of ChatGPT Memory. Personalize every conversation.